You've seen one technique to extract the data from the first name and last name elements of the third person attending the event, this event in guests.xml. And as you've seen, it demands that you navigate from the events node to the event node, the people node to the person node, to the first name and last name nodes. And it turns out there's an easier way of doing things than doing all that navigating. You can extract all the first name nodes in an array and all the last name nodes in an array at the same time if you like. And we'll take a look at how that works now. And here's how it's going to function as an Ajax page. I say get the celebrity guest and going to extract Cary Grant once again. And yet this is going to be a lot simpler because here in the display guest function, which is going to handle the downloaded XML, what you do is you take the XML document and you say get elements by tag name. This is a very important method to know about because it can simplify working with XML a great deal. You say get elements by tag name, and you say first name. This gets an array of all the first name elements. All the elements that are first name elements. So it's this one, and that one. So it gets all those elements. XML doc.get elements by tag name last name gets all the last name elements, element nodes. You see here, that's this one, and this one. And so now you have an array of both the first name elements and the last name elements. And so in order to extract the data from those, all you've got to do is say first name nodes 2, and then in square brackets 2. That references the third element, the third first name element, because the array indexes in JavaScript start at 0. So 2 means this. So 0, 1, 2. 2 is the third first name node, and that must mean this is the 0, this is the first, and this is index number 1, this is index number 2. So this expression, first name nodes 2, gives you the correct first name node. So as you can see, it's a lot easier if you're going to pick out the elements by tag name than it is to actually navigate through laboriously. So now what you want to do is you want to extract the text node inside that first name node. You say first child, that extracts the text node inside the first name node of Cary Grant, and so that extracts this Cary as a text node, and you've got to extract the name from the text node. You say .node value. So first name nodes 2, that is the correct first name element node. First child, that gets you to the text node contained inside that element node, and .node value lets you extract the name Cary. And similarly, the last name nodes 2 gets you to the Cary Grant's last name element node. First child lets you extract the text node contained inside that element. Node value lets you extract the actual text inside the text node. Then all you have to do is display the text in the target div, and you see the results here. Get the celebrity guest. The celebrity guest was Cary Grant. So as you can see, this is a lot easier, and if you can work it this way, it's often preferable. All you have to do is work with the XML downloaded in the XML document in JavaScript XML document form. This is the same data you get in the response XML property of the XML HTTP request object. And all you have to do is use the get elements by tag name method to get an array of elements that have the particular tag name that you specify, and then you're able to extract from those elements the particular element you're interested in, and in this case extract the text node inside that element and use the node value property to extract the actual text inside the node. So get elements by tag name, a very useful method indeed when you're dealing with an entire XML document and you just want to extract the data from a particular element. Very handy method, very good one to know.